Harry, you're my best friend, bro. And honestly, I'm gonna miss you a lot, man. But I know you're gonna do great things out there.
You know, I got this whole new beer pong. I haven't gotten a chance to break it out though. You know, I really want to come test it out. And I'll actually show you some of my tracks because I used to be a SoundCloud rapper. I'm gonna get back into it. Hey, when I'm famous, you got right.
Taking her away from me wasn't enough for you. You just had to go and screw this up too.
At least you actually got to know her. All I have are these shitty movies and a stupid sitcom.
There isn't a day that goes by where I don't wish she was here instead of you. You ruined everything!
Even when I am gone, I'll always be here.
No sign of Detective Sullivan. Now, just his car. Listen, I'm gonna take a look around before you send anybody out here, so... Hang on a minute.
Captain Foster, come in, please.
Long ago, now you will come, all my grief is removed. Let me forget that so long you have grown.